Hey, what's up, defcon.run? It's KPH. I'm going to talk you through a Meshtastic setup. Another question people have is, oh, I heard you did something with Meshtastic. Yes, we did. And there's a couple ways to participate. So up here, you can click the Meshtastic button. That will take you to the options to flash and join or see players on the map. We're going to do a flash and join thing, so we're going to click flash and join. That's going to take you to this Flash site. And shout out to the Deftastic, Meshtastic folks. This whole site is early inspired from what they had built like back in February, March. This is really the ability to take any of the devices listed here and go from 0 to fully configured. They have this ability for the defcon.run Meshtastic. If you have a device and you want to be on the defcon.run network, you can do that as well. Lots of people have multiple devices, so you might have one on the defcon network and you might have one on the defcon.run network. So I'm just going to show you how to flash a defcon.run Meshtastic device right now. So okay, I've plugged in a Heltec V3 device. So I'm going to check Heltec V3 and continue with Heltec V3. It's going to say plug it in. It's plugged in. It's going to say which one of these is it? It's this one. And the process will begin. As soon as I click continue and confirm the version I want, this is the defcon.run firmware that they built the Deftastic deployment off of. It's the exact same firmware, baseline 2.8.0. Flash the firmware. Flashing the firmware is going to slip this device into kind of a reboot mode. You can see here with show details. This one's an ESP32. It's gonna do the thing. It's gonna copy over the firmware percent by percent. So let's get that done. Okay, once it's flashed over, it's going to verify, and you can see flash complete, and all that that might mean. So that just means the firmware is now on the device. It's not configured in any way. So the next step is to actually push a configuration to it. So it's going to, on a Heltec, it's going to reboot, reconnect the device, and it's going to start pushing the configuration over. These details are coming from my user profile. These are going to be my MQTT credentials, and the channels that it's putting me on are related to defcon.run and the defcon conference itself. You'll be able to get, you'll be able to have conversations with folks there as well. So we'll click continue, and this will give kind of the summary. So you should see something like this when you get to the end. The ability to download the latest Android versions are here as well, behind my head. You can download the latest APKs. I'm going to get the freshest in here because they just released. But yeah, that's for Android folks. Otherwise, your iOS, you can just use what's on the phone today. And now that you've completed this process, you have a device that's flashed and has Meshtastic on it. We'll go back to our site here. It currently says I have one radio because I already registered one. I'm going to reload this page. It should say 2. And here's the second radio I just registered up here. This is the new one, which, as you can see, is not currently showing on the map because I haven't enabled it. It's off by default, so I could turn that on. And now that I've done that, the DEFCON map will have the location of this being shared on that map. So that's how the two of them connect. The credentials that are on it, the username that's available, and password, those have been already put onto the device, so you don't need them. But if one was to reveal them, they could do that there and set up their own device outside of here. So that's a little bit about a Meshtastic setup, how to go from a 0 device to fully flashed. The connection between the two of them should be like this. And yeah, I hope to see you on the Meshtastic network, maybe looking for some ghosts and talking to some people. So I'll show another video what to do on the Meshtastic network once you're there.